Hi everyone, welcome back to Homemade by Jenny. Today we're doing another simple family fun recipe. I'm going to be making bacon and pancakes for the kids today for breakfast. Let's get started. We're going to start with the bacon. I'm just going to layer our bacon into this pan to bake last night, so I just kind of did a quick defrost here to layer it. Looks like I didn't quite defrost it enough. Let's see if we can still get it to come apart. Okay, this one's going to be a tough one. It looks like it doesn't quite soften yet. We have to do some this. Okay, so now we're just gonna layer the bacon onto the pan to bake off.
This mighty bacon.
Yeah, and then after we're gonna start our pancake batter and make pancakes. Just single layer here on the pan. And my kids love bacon, so we usually use up the whole entire pack every time we make bacon. Right, Mika? Right, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna layer the bacon onto the pan to bake off.
This mighty bacon.
Yeah, and then after we're gonna start our pancake batter and make pancakes. Just single layer here on the pan. And my kids love bacon, so we usually use up the whole entire pack every time we make bacon. Right, Mika? Right, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we're coming tonight.
Yeah. You love singing, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it too.
All per
And you
video. I've been singing all the night. Oh, oh, oh. Honey, you could put the rest of the bacon on the bottom.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the last of it, I think.
Okay.
Pause. Okay, now that the bacon's all nice and layered, I'm gonna put it in the oven to bake. Okay, now that my bacon has all been layered out onto a pan, now I'm just gonna put it into the oven. I have the oven preheating here at 425. I actually don't even have to wait until it's all preheated. I'm just gonna put it directly in and let it bake. And I'm gonna set the timer for about 10-15 minutes. Just let it go. Okay, these are the ingredients we'll be using to make our pancake this morning. So we got flour, milk, baking powder, vanilla, sugar, and salt, and some egg. Let's get started. My baby's gonna be helping here, so let's get started. You're gonna help me hold this so I can start. Okay, make sure you can see everything, okay? First, I'm gonna start with the flour. Just gonna add a lot this way. So you
I
can
know,
this.
but this.
I would say about a cup to a cup
But
and a
my
half
mom.
of flour.
My mom and I'm sick.
And then
And I want to record
a little
her.
bit, half
And
a
I
teaspoon of salt.
Want to record her.
And
I'm helping her cook.
a tad of sugar.
Tad of sugar. Oh my, how much do you need?
Just a little bit. A little bit of baking powder. Now I'm just gonna mix this all up.
Yeah, we can mix it.
See it? Okay. Now I'm just gonna mix it. Nice job. All the dry ingredients have been measured and put into the bowl. Now mixing it, and then we're gonna add the wet ingredients to this. Okay, let's stop. I'm gonna add the wet ingredients now. If you wanna help hold the camera. Cover the camera. Ready? Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. gonna add in 2 eggs. So 1, 2, vanilla, teaspoon or so.
Just a little bit of vanilla. And you
milk.
don't have to add that much milk, but that's okay. It's enough milk.
And whisk.
Yep, we gotta whisk.
Okay, she wants to mix, so let her whisk it up.
I'm sick, so I'm sick. So I can mix too. Why does it look so brown?
Okay.
Why does it look brown?
Because the egg and the vanilla.
Are brown?
Okay, we don't want to overmix this, so as soon as it comes together and incorporates, that's pretty much it. So let's get started on our batter. Okay, hold this, so Mommy just gonna just do it quick here.
Mama, I want you to mix it fast.
It's good enough now.
Mama, let me try to mix it fast.
Okay.
Like you.
There we go. Now she wants to try mixing it fast. It's okay if it's lumpy. It's going to create air pocket as you fry it, so that's going to make the pancake nice and fluffy. So we don't need to do anything else. Okay, I think we can start. We're going to start cooking the pancake, and to this I'm just going to add a little bit of oil to the frying pan. And to the frying pan I'm also going to be adding some butter as well, because pancake obviously always tastes better with butter. So when this melts down, we're going to add our batter in. You can see it melting away right now. Just going to add a quick ladle here. So I'm going to ladle in my batter. See the butter melting away. I'm just going to serve it around to get it coated all over the pan. And that's about good. I'm just going to ladle in a spoon. I do 3 to a pan. Okay, and just watch it. Okay, you can see the pancakes starting to have bubbles and hole. Those are just the air pockets, and that's gonna make our pancake fluffy, light and fluffy. We are making pancakes. See? Okay, the pancakes, you can see the size, the edges are cooking up. I'm just actually gonna take it and flip it. Go. Oh, it's stuck here. It's hard because I'm trying to do this with one hand. So now that I've got my pancake flipped over, I'm just gonna do it for like another minute or so and check on the other side. Should be nice and golden, and that should be about it. I'll put in the next batch. That's about right. That's about right too. You want to help Mommy pour it in? I'm just going to use a knife and flip it. It's easier. Okay, pancakes are pretty much ready at this point. Just going to take them out. And add in once again a a tad of oil
Yeah.
and a little bit of the butter. Turn around a little bit. Hey, you gotta be careful. I don't want you to burn yourself. I'm gonna do it quick so that it cooks, because it cooks really quickly, right? I might be able to fit 4 in here. So I'm just gonna move this over to the side a little bit here. See, I'll move these ones slightly over. I'm just gonna do another scoop to go to the 4th one here. Okay, basically I'm gonna be cooking the pancakes until it's all done. Bacon is cooking nicely in here. There's about a minute left in here. I'm gonna turn this onto broil now to cook further. Because I want it kind of golden and crispy on the top. What's wrong? Bacon was actually just cooking and I finished the 15-minute. Now I just turn it on to broil and I flipped it over to get it crispy on the other side. And it should be done very shortly. Go in the oven. Give it another couple minutes. Bacon is pretty much cooked at this point. Nice broil, nice crispiness on it. I'm just gonna take it out and put it on our plate, ready to serve. Here's our bacon, nice and crispy bacon. Just gonna grab a paper towel here so that I can get rid of the grease. There we go. Just line it, put the bacon on so then it gets all the grease out. Break it apart if you want. Go. Bacon, our completed waffle, or pancakes I meant. There is our pancake and bacon for today's breakfast. I'm pretty rustic when it comes to making my pancakes just because I like the fact that it doesn't always turn out the same way. So, you know, you can play also with your recipe as well, and maybe you'll find a recipe that your family will enjoy. Have a good day, everyone.